And welcome to week 10 of ECS 116, Teaching in a Diverse Society. So we are well over halfway through the course. There's like 6 weeks left, so just keep that in mind. Keep trying, keep doing your best, submitting your work. You're almost there. Let's go ahead and take a peek at what we have going on for this week. So I think you're going to find this to be a really fun assignment. It's one of my favorites. So for week 10, what I'm asking for students to do is to read chapter 4 in Child, Family, and Community in your Roots and Wings textbook. That's York 2016. Please also know that week 10 concludes on Sunday, October 29th at midnight. So I have a video for you called Babies. It was published in 2010. It's a longer video, so it's about 1 hour and 18 minutes. It does not contain a lot of words, so there's not a lot of discussion, but it does show 4 different cultures having babies and raising them over the first year of life. So it includes some prenatal experience, but a majority of the experience is the interaction with the babies in their cultural context. So the video is what you're going to use for your small diversity group discussion. So I'm going to ask that you review the discussion post prompt for the small diversity group prior to watching the video. That way you can take some notes. It'll help you in your post to your group members. So Thursday, October 26th, you need to post to the group no later than midnight and then log back in before Sunday, October 29th to respond to all group members. Okay. So we also have our childcare routines observation and analysis that is due this week as well. You can upload that by October 29th at midnight. Let's go ahead and take a peek. So in the module, you're going to see here I also have an article for you called Diversity in Infant Toddler Caregiving. So this video you're going to watch, it's going to elicit some pretty strong reactions in terms of how you feel the different cultures are taking care of your children, and just to be honest, whether they're doing a good job or a bad job. So we definitely want you to be able to read this and frame your discussion prior to the video watching. And then you'll see that I do have the baby's video here. Okay, so like I said, there really is no words, but there is music in the background, and you can actually hear the interaction in the environment. So there you go. And then I'm asking you to, I'm going to pause and go ahead and make this available because I'd like to go over it really quick. Okay, so what you're going to see now is this is the actual prompt, but I want to go over it in terms of instruction. So you want to kind of print this or take a look at it before you watch the video. That way you have a little bit of an understanding. So I'm going to ask you to describe each of the babies, and these are the babies' names: Madi, Haiti, Panaho, and Beroranja. And then also, number 2, how do the environments of each baby differ from one another? So as you're going through the video, make comments about different environments, and then also I'm asking for you to determine what do they have in common. So all 4 children, how do they differ in terms of their environment and what do they have in common? The next thing is I want you to look at what are the similarities between each of the children and their experiences. So you're going to draw on similarities, and some of you might say, well, they're so extreme, I can't really find the similarities. And that's the key in being able to be culturally sensitive and care, is finding similarities and making connections. Number 4 is what are the differences between each of the children and their experiences? And lastly is number 5, what thoughts or observations did you make about your own culture after watching that movie? So you definitely want to make sure you're covering all different aspects when you post. And then when you're responding to others, you could either extend their understanding, point out something that maybe they didn't see, give your perspective, and just remember that everybody sees things differently. So I'm really hoping that we can all come together based on our experience of the video and find commonalities amongst each other and other cultures, even though they might seem extreme. Okay, so I'm going to pause again. So we're back on the main page. So here you can see you have diversity in infant toddler caregiving, the baby's video, here's your small diversity group introduction, and then again, just reminding you that the childcare routines observation and analysis is due on 10/29. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can reach me at trope@hancockcollege.edu. Go week 10, yay!